Hey, we're back due to popular demand and unfortunate circumstance. But we're coming at you this time with a holiday episode to bring a little cheer.
And to stay warm and cozy this holiday season, we're making some hot cider. First, you take some pre-made apple juice and put it into a stock pot. Then you take an orange that you've stabbed with cloves, cut up an apple, and drench these slices in allspice and cinnamon for taste.
Did you say Old Spice?
No, I said allspice.
Okay.
Put the apple and the orange into the stock pot with our juice. We're gonna add some cinnamon sticks and some more ground cinnamon for taste. Then we'll get things cooking in the Instant Pot.
And while that's going, we should have just enough time for a quick game of chess. To all of you quarantining at home, Merry Christmas.
And happy holidays.
We hope to see you next year.